How to get invitation code for SORA 2 for free. So if you want a SORA 2 invite code for free, I'll show you the easiest way. People are getting real codes right now, all through Discord. SORA 2 is still in limited access, no public sign up yet, but many users on Discord are already sharing invite codes they receive directly from OpenAI. Step 1, join the official OpenAI Discord using this link, discord.com/invite/OpenAI. Once you're in, look for channels or threads with names like #SORA invites, or community chat. That's where people post codes the moment they drop. Step 2, stay active, enable notifications, and check messages often. Users usually post short lived codes. Once a few people use them, they expire. So be quick. When you see a code, copy it immediately and paste it on the SORA to invite page. Step 3, you can join SORA community discords like discord.gg/hm8gjtdjff, where people host giveaways and share working invite codes from time to time. Make sure it's an active and real community. Avoid fake servers asking for payment. Pro tips: keep Discord open side by side with SORA to website. Paste fast and check daily for new drops. Never buy codes, they're often scams or already used. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.